Namaskar. This video is shot from Gurugram, and I have great pleasure in presenting this sunrise video. If you look at the sun, red hot sun emerging from in between the towers, visible between the towers, and it's beautifully rising above. And right now it is 7:17 in the morning, and it's indeed beautiful and spectacular, and I have great pleasure in sharing this nature video. It is smoky, foggy, and northern belt is experiencing winter, and we have come over to Gurugram, and it is pretty chill out here. Have a fantastic day, friends.